does climate change impact future building codes? Imagine living in a world where storms grow stronger, floods become more frequent, and heat waves last longer. It might sound like a scene from a movie, but it's becoming our reality. Climate change is changing the way we need to think about building safety and design. As extreme weather events happen more often and with greater intensity, building codes have to change to keep people safe and prevent disasters. These codes are the rules that tell builders how to make structures safe and durable. In the past, they mainly focused on making sure buildings could stand up to fires, earthquakes, and basic weather. But now, with climate change, those old standards are no longer enough. Rising sea levels and heavier rain mean that areas once considered safe from flooding are now at risk. Regions that never faced wildfires or extreme heat are seeing these dangers become common. If buildings aren't designed with these new risks in mind, they could fail during storms or heat waves, leading to injuries, property damage, or even worse. Future building codes are expected to become more strict and tailored to local climate threats. For example, in hurricane-prone areas, codes will require stronger impact-resistant windows and reinforced roofs to prevent damage from flying debris. In places facing rising sea levels, buildings may need to be elevated or built with flood-resistant materials. In hot regions, codes could mandate better insulation, ventilation, and passive cooling systems to keep buildings livable during power outages caused by heat waves. Smart technology will also play a role. Future codes might require sensors that monitor structural health or detect leaks, helping prevent accidents like gas explosions or structural collapses. There's also a push to use sustainable materials that perform well under changing environmental conditions and reduce carbon footprints. Enforcing these new standards isn't simple. Local governments and agencies must update their regulations, which can be costly and time-consuming. Retrofitting existing buildings to meet new standards can be expensive but is often necessary to avoid catastrophic failures. If buildings are not upgraded, the risk of infrastructure failures during disasters increases, leading to more accidents and loss of life. As cities grow and climate risks expand, the importance of strong, adaptable building codes becomes even clearer. Well enforced, climate-aware codes can help prevent buildings from collapsing during storms, reduce utility outages, and lower the chances of industrial accidents caused by infrastructure failure. Overall, climate change is pushing us to rethink how we build and protect our communities. Building codes of the future will need to be smarter, stronger, and more tailored to local risks to keep everyone safe in an uncertain climate.